This is my Maverick X3, and if you was with us last time, we put in this new windshield from Kemimoto, and today, upper doors, baby. Full enclosure time. So our friends at Kemimoto sent us these upper doors to go along with our new windshield. Install and test for you guys. Let's take a look. Instructions. Garbage. You have to zip them and unzip them when you want to open your door. Looks like strong material to start with, and looks like an easy install. We're going to go ahead and just secure them loosely for now. That way give us some playroom. Try to get this one in, hold it. Flip it up over. Let's see what's going. There we go. That's the trick. We're getting somewhere now. So it looks like I'm gonna have to take my roof off, which I expected, to make these fit better, which is no big deal because it's still not connected from when I put my windshield in. And take the windshield out too, which I figured that's what was going to happen, but for video purposes I chose to put the windshield in first. So we'll get back to this. It's looking good though. Alright, we got our upper doors enclosures put in, and all that is left is attaching this velcro sticky part to the door. So it was really cold the other day, so I didn't do it. The temperature is about 3 degrees today. We're going to heat them up a little bit with a hair dryer and put them on. I don't know if that's required, but I just don't like the thoughts of putting something sticky on really cold plastic. So we're gonna unpeel this velcro, strip right off of there. Put that inside. Get this nice and dry. Clean and dry. Now, again, not sure if it's necessary. But we're gonna heat it up some. Now we're going to heat up our strip. Take this paper off and heat up the glue, because that's cold too. Alright, now that we got everything warmed up a little bit, I'm gonna line this up with the window and stick it along this crease. And now we're going to put some more heat to it. Yeah, again, I'm not sure that was called for, but I didn't like the cold, so I think putting the heat to it really seemed to help. As I was putting it on, I could see the rubber velcro, whatever it is, stretching. It seemed like it was applying much better with a little heat. Since it's freezing cold outside, so the last thing to do is stick that velcro on there. I'm pretty careful about it. I'm going to set the camera down, but I kind of line this up with the edge so that I know it's going to get a good seal. Line that up. Line that up. Press that on good and tight. Try it right. Oh yeah. Yeah, Kemimoto upper windows, upper doors for the Can-Am X3. Get yours with the link in the description below. Thank you, Kemimoto. Check out these other Kemimoto products.
They call me a